right, y'all, got something a little bit different. First one that we've had, 1972 Ford Mustang. Super clean, actually. I've never been a super big Mustang guy, but I do like this one. Finished in that grabber blue. Beautiful color. It's got new paint, new stripes. The stripes are painted on as well. So paint and body is in excellent condition. Probably give it about a 9, honestly. Like I said, this paint looks gorgeous, especially in the sun. So we're gonna start moving along the side. Door panel looks great. No dents or scratches that need to be pointed out. Wheels and tires. The tires are new as well. It's a set of American Racing, and we're sitting on a set of 17s in the front and rear. So hood, oh sorry, roof looks beautiful. Rear glass is solid, no cracks or anything like that. Beautiful chrome, no rust, no dents. Like I said, the paint looks beautiful. I really like that. I've never been a big Mustang guy, but I've always kind of liked this body style. And I know, you know, a lot of people won't agree, but like the Mach 1 style with the louvers and the big wings, I just think they look cool. They kind of look futuristic back then. But again, this one, like I said, no issues at all as we keep moving around it. Paint and body is beautiful. Front windshield, no cracks, no spider webbing, rock chips of any kind. And as we come down the hood, beautiful in the front. The front bumper is good, chrome is solid, no dents, anything like that. Let me see if I can get my one hand. Yep. There we go. Super clean underneath, power brakes, power steering, and super cool thing about this, it's got AC, vintage air, so super cool. Let's see what else. As you see, we got MSD ignition, so it kind of helps just a little bit. But like I said, everything is super clean underneath, no issues at all. Pretty sure this is the 351. So, you know, adequate power for the 70s. Let me see if I can reach the keys. Yes. Trunk is nice and clean, carpeted, no issues here whatsoever. Obviously gas tank underneath. I'm not gonna pull up these panels, but you can see, beautiful. Interior has also been redone. So you can see that it's kind of blue, black with the blue piping, blue inserts. Not a bad look by any means at all. Headliner is solid. And there's your rear seats. No rips, no tears, anything like that. And new black carpet. Kind of easy to go through. Black panels, no warping, nothing there. There's your jams. Again, you can tell, again, it's been repainted. Looks beautiful. And nice solid carpet. Dash is good. We have no cracks. Center speaker there, and dash painted to match the exterior. So let's get over to the driver's side, and then we can knock out this test drive. Like I said, this is just an overall, just a super solid car, well put together. Mileage reads 48,272. So I'll get on the test drive and test. All right, let's get started on the test drive. Fires right up. Let's check out the radio. Oh, it's on aux. Let me see. Oh, there we go. Radio works. 0 issues. AC is already on and blowing cold. Turn this down. Actually, again, vintage air. Let's see. Lights are on. I can see them reflecting. Mustang symbol on means the lights are on. Kind of dope. Horn works. Windows are manual. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. I think that's it, right? Everything else is manual. Yeah. So let's go ahead and check her out. All right, so let's go ahead and roll her out. Like I said, she sounds amazing. Once we get it on the rack, I'm pretty sure we'll see some type of exhaust work done. But this thing definitely sounds good. Definitely eager to go to. I haven't even given it gas except for the time you guys heard me, so she's pulling on her own. Speedometer is working up to speed, showing about 20-25, which is about accurate. Let's see. Alignment is a little tiny bit loose. This is my first time driving a 72, so I know there's a big difference between the first gens, but all of the 60s kind of feel the same to me too. Like I never felt like the steering was super tight. Hands off the wheel, little tiny bit to the right. Wheel is clocked appropriately. She's definitely got some power to her. Brakes feel good. Softly into them and she's coming to a stop, so no issues there. The whole car, like the motor itself, you know, it kind of, the whole point of you buying a muscle car is to feel that. And I will say, like, you know, when that motor is rumbling at idle, you can definitely feel it. Like it goes through the whole car. You got that little shake. So again, it's not a horrible feeling by any means at all. It's what you think of when you think about muscle cars. So 45 now, no issues there. Shifts were smooth. A little, what's the word? Abrupt, which that's how it's supposed to be in a sports car, you know. So still smooth shifting, but it can kick you back if you're heavy on it. I can definitely tell that. Suspension feels solid though. I'm not bouncing all over the road, and I'm not hearing any crazy belt squeal or anything like that. I hear a little bit of shaking throughout the car, but again, that's from the it's kind of expected for this era of vehicles and what it was. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead. Got the Mustang up on the rack. Again, rear looks beautiful, chrome looks good, as well as the paint underneath. Gas tank has been coated. That's a plus in most places. Rear end, everything looks nice and solid, nothing to point out. We do have disc brakes at all four corners. Again, exhaust has been done. I don't know what type, I don't see anything on there. Shocks have been replaced, I can tell by the bushings. As we move underneath, frame looks nice and straight. Floors themselves look good. We got a little tiny bit of a soft spot here, but barely. It's really more coating that fell off than anything. Like I said, car looks nice and straight. No signs of any leaks from the test drive. Got a G-force cross member that's been added. Looking down the passenger side, floors and frame look beautiful. Nothing to point out there whatsoever. Long tube headers. Yeah, everything looks nice and clean under here. So beautiful, well-maintained vehicle for sure. No signs of leaking from the condenser, power steering, or anything. There's the front, no issues there. Got a little bit of a scratch underneath, but to be honest, that's expected. That's the bottom of the car where your rocks and things start kicking up. Moving around the car, again, tires are new at all four corners. They're Nexans 245 17s, and great condition, no curb rash or anything. And as you look underneath the car, we don't see anything. Actually, I got a little bit of bubbling right here, bare minimum at the bottom, but very clean. Rear quarter looks good, no waves or dents or anything. And coming on down to the driver's side, more of the same. Looks beautiful, nothing to point out on this side. Little tiny bit of a more paint chip here, but again, bottom of the car is where things kick up at. So overall, solid. Interested in this 72 Mustang, make sure you give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.